is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. I am here with the Rad Whip, and she's just sparkling and clean. I mean, look at that shine. It's just too good. I just finished washing her. I gotta tell you, it took me about like an hour or two to just finish washing this car, and I take my time. I mean, I got a pressure washer. I got a pressure washer over here, a foam gun. I bought some products from like Chemical Guys, and I did a video last week on the products I use, and this is one of them that I use when I don't pressure wash, which is the EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax. The link is in my description. And I also have this product here called the Synthetic Quick Detailer by Chemical Guys as well. And these two products are just phenomenal. This one right here, if I don't want to, because I live in an apartment complex, I have to run the hose from my third floor all the way down here, and it's kind of a hassle. So if I'm not feeling it, I do this. Or really, if my car is not so grimy and like there's like, bird poop all over it, then I go this route if it's clean. If it's grimy and there's like gunk all over it, then I go with the pressure washer to really take off all that crap, right? But between washes, right, from like today's Sunday, so maybe Wednesday, I'm gonna use this right here, the Synthetic Quick Detailer, and it's really cool because it honestly has kept the look of my car. And now that I have, rims on it and the carbon parts, people notice my car a lot more. And even so, when I use this quick detailer, it stands out even more, and people compliment my car all the time. So look, if you're gonna build your car, take care of it, maintain it. Really, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys, but I love their products. I've been using it for the past couple of months, really, and it has really taken care of my car. Now, I got a couple questions for all of you watching this video. One is, what products do you use? List them below in the comments. Do you use Chemical Guys? Do you use McGuire's? Do you use anything else? I mean, hey, let me know. Educate us. Drop a comment below what your wash flow looks like, right? So that's the first question. What products do you use? And I guess a secondary to that is, what's your wash flow look like? And number two, do you daily your car? Because I daily this thing. That's the wife's car right there. But this right here, I daily it every single day. And occasionally I rotate with my wife. But gas prices are going up, and I don't want to put so much miles on both of these cars at the same time. So we all carpool together and we daily my car. And I love to drive my car around. I got to tell you that I'm not one to believe in a garage queen car, because that's just a waste. I mean, not to get all mythological or religious. I mean, I am Christian, but like, tomorrow is really not promised to anybody. So why am I going to save this for a special occasion when I could drive it myself right now, the next day, and further, and really enjoy the things that I have? Because again, guys, tomorrow's not promised. Remember that. So anywho, this is a very short video. I just want to connect with all of you and say hello. I'm here, and I have a bunch of things happening to this car. Updates that I just, one of the newest things that I've just done is I lowered it. And I have H&R sports springs, not racing springs, sports springs, and it changed the whole dynamics of my car, the aesthetics, and also just the way it drives. It drives phenomenal. But that's pretty much all that I've done to it that's new. What's coming up is a front lip protection that I'm going to get my hands on. And also, I'm considering just swapping out the exterior and the interior trim. I'm debating between either Alcantara or carbon. What else? I might even tint the windows. I don't know. Leave me a comment below if I should do it, or if you're a fan of the fishbowl look. But that's what's happening, guys. Oh, here's a little sneak peek. So my hood, right? A couple of days ago, I was like driving on the freeway to get it serviced, and right here, there's like a gash. And this semi truck was in front of me. I'm using a decal to cover it, and it's doing the job pretty well, and people don't even notice it. But I am thinking about replacing the hood. I'm debating between a GTS style hood. I don't know. There's controversy over that because my car is not an M car. But, you do what you want with your car. So that's where I'm at. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, guys, so that's where I'm at right now. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. There's way more content coming. I have like carbon fiber shifter pedals. I'm gonna get that front lip protection thing. Might tint the windows. And you know what? I'm gonna start building a car to potentially go to the track. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong, huh? What is it? Sorry, my dog's getting really needy. But yeah, I'm gonna find a way, now that I got the aesthetics down, I'm gonna try to build it into a track daily. So I got plans to upgrade the whole suspension. I'm sorry, the braking system. So I got plans to upgrade the whole braking system to ensure that I have stopping power, and then slowly work my way to getting a more sophisticated suspension system for the track. But those are my thoughts for this car, guys. Yeah, anywho, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you next week.